So what do you say? Let's go paddleboarding. Yay! Kurt and Sherry, say hello. Say hi, Zen. It's funny, if you come down here and sit by the water, you can see the tracks of the birds as they walk through. But then also, you can see all the snails cruising around. It's very peaceful out here. Thanks for watching my video. I do have to give a shout out to my GoPro Hero Black. My YouTube channel is dedicated to tech reviews. And I will say this GoPro Hero Black has been just a dream little camera. We came from a GoPro Hero 3, and this is just worlds better with the front and back screens. And you can command it with just your voice. I mean, it's got a lot of cool tech features. I'll do another full review later on my channel for you. Like I said, this GoPro Hero 10 is amazing.